Hello, my name's Gigi Peach. How are you today? For this video, I'll be reviewing this needle felting kit I bought from Temu. Temu is an online marketplace app that sells all sorts of products ranging from clothing to technology. For me, I love to shop for DIY building or craft stuff. For this video, I'll be making this needle felting kit, themed on a couple holding a whole bunch of balloons. My first impressions are, the kit is very basic. Despite this is supposed to be for beginners, there are no instructions on how to put this together, so all you have is the image for reference. The positives are that you have creative freedom to put this together, but if you are someone who prefers to follow instructions, keep watching this video. I'll guide you how to put this together. The wool provided with this kit is enough to complete the project. It comes with a set of needles, hoop, foam mat, and a felt sheet with the image printed on it. There are 11 colors provided. The colors included are okay, but I want more variation, so I will be adding some of my own colors to this project. This is completely optional. You don't have to do this. Without further ado, let's get crafting. I won't be using the needles provided as I have my own. Also will be using my own foam mat. Here are the tools I'll be using for this project. First things first, I'll start off with the sky. Here are all the blue wool I'll be using. I start off by tearing a piece of wool and fluff it up with the brush. The brush I'm using is a grooming brush. After fluffing the wool, I placed it on the space I want to color. Then needle it in place. Adding a different blue. Now adding a different blue. What do you want to do is create a gradient from light to dark, the bottom being light and the top being dark. Adding a different blue. Now adding the final blue. There we go. Time to add the yellows. I start off with light yellow for the sun. Now adding a cream color to create the sun glow. Next, I'll be working on the landscape like the hills and trees. Using the turquoise to make the back hill. Now using a darker green to work on the front hill. Now for the grass area. Coloring it with green wool. Now shading it with darker green. I'm shading the back heel with this bright pretty blue wool. Looking good. Using the orange yellow to create sun rays. Now to make the cute little trees. Focus on needling the wool into a flat circle shape. Be careful not to hurt yourself. Make sure to wear finger protection. You will need to make 6 circles in different sizes. Now attaching the tree. Creating the tree trunks. I'm happy with how it looks so far. You don't have to make it look exactly like the picture. You are completely free to do what you want. Like for example, I'm omitting the house as I don't think it fits the theme. Detailing the sky to make it look nicer. Now the main focus of the project. The balloons. To make the balloon, you want to make it like a mini sausage shape. Use whatever colors you want for the balloons. For how many you make, I would say about 20 balloons for now. Depending on the results, you might make more later. Making some more balloons. Making the clouds. Attaching and shaping the clouds. Adding tiny little balloons in the background. I'm just placing the little balloons randomly. Color doesn't matter, add whatever you want. Now working on the couple. I start by working on the red dress. Then the black trousers and blue shirt. Now for the couple's head and hair. And lastly, the other parts like arms and legs. I wasn't happy with how it's looking, so I decided to pull the balloons off and redo it again. I made about 53 balloons, minus the ones in the background. Needling the balloon strings the couple are holding. Now making the strings for the background balloons. Finished. I'm very happy on how it turned out. One thing I'll say, I have suspicions that the picture is AI made, but making this is achievable. I give the experience of making this a 5 out of 5. But I give it a 1 star for lack of instructions and false imagery. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed this video, please give a like and subscribe. Hope you have a wonderful day. Bye bye.